Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about, we talked about a divorce with an alcoholic with no kids. Today we're going to talk about if there is kids. Now remember, from our previous videos, we provided the information and we've educated the public on the issue that if there are no children, because Michigan is a no-fault state, it doesn't matter whether your ex-soon-to-be is an alcoholic or not, because it's no fault. So the court's not going to ask you, why do you want to divorce this person? What's the reason for it? The court is just going to be satisfied that there's been a breakdown of the marital relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed. If you say there are, that's all the court needs to hear about. But what if there's kids? What do we do in that exact same scenario if there's kids? Well, the filing process is the same. The proofs to get the divorce, those are the same. The only thing that changes is, what do we do about custody? If it turns out that the reason why you're getting a divorce is because your ex is alcohol or drug dependent, then it doesn't impact your ability to get the divorce, but it does impact the court's analysis regarding what should the court do with custody and parenting time. In other words, if somebody is drug or alcohol dependent, the court might pause before letting that person have custody. Even if the court gives custody to the other parent, there's still parenting time. Do we allow standard parenting time with someone who's alcohol dependent? Maybe we do, maybe we don't. It's going to depend on whether or not the alcohol dependency is under control. If it's under control and the person is in a proper program, the person's taking proper remedial measures, the person's an alcoholic, always being an alcoholic, but hasn't had a drink in months, that kind of thing, is committed to sobriety, the court might well let us say that the alcoholism has no impact on the parenting time. On the other hand, on the flip side, if the court feels that the person is still within the throes of the alcoholic situation, the court might say no parenting time unless it's supervised, or may not allow the person to drive during the parenting time or drive the kids around because of the alcohol dependency and the fear of drunk driving. So while it doesn't have an impact on the divorce itself, the alcoholism of the other person, the other parent, very much impacts in a significant way the custody and the parenting time when there is kids. So therefore, when you have that going on in a divorce with children, the analysis and the factors involved are completely different. Now, if you have any questions about your case, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.